Lukashassantii here, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you or walking you through how to install Office LTSC, the latest version. So without saying much, let's get started. But please note, we are using Microsoft recommended tools, recommended method to do it. So don't hesitate and do not skip any step, as every bit is focused. So without saying much, let's go. But please hit the subscribe button. Let's do this. First thing we need to do is to create a particular folder where our installation files are gonna be put. Okay, so I'm doing that on my C drive here. As you can see, you can do it on desktop and anywhere. You can see over here. So let me just create, right click, new folder. You can rename it Office LTSC. Hit enter. Go over to your browser. As you can see, I'm using Chrome, and search for Office deployment. You can see here we are downloading version 2024. Okay, so download Office deployment from official website. As you can see here, and click on download. It's been downloaded. Go over to your browser. Search for Office deployment tool. As you can see, the first link here and click on download. As you can see, it's been downloaded. And now go to your download folder, click on it. You can see, click yes. Now what we are doing is we are trying to extract this deployment tools to our folder which we've created earlier, the Office LTSC folder in the C drive. So continue. Now locate your Office LTSC folder on the C drive here. As you can see, Office LTSC, and choose OK. File extracted successfully, as you can see. So after that, go to a tab and search for Office customization tools. Office customization tools let you click the first link, let you customize the type of packages, the language, and all the versions and architecture of your Office you are trying to install. What actually means, like now the architecture is 64-bit, my PC is 64-bit. Of course, Office suite, you can use Office 365 2021, but for this tutorial I'm using Professional Plus 2024 volume license. Click on it, leave all these things to default. Check if you want, you can choose your version, but I recommend latest version, of course. And here the apps, these are the packages I'm talking about. Now for me, I will be needing OneNote, I will be needing OneDrive, Outlook. So I just need PowerPoint, Word, Access, Excel, and Publisher, which is actually cool. You can add what you like. This is my opinion, okay? And go next. You can see your language. Of course, the primary language, just set it to any language. For me here, I prefer the United Kingdom. Of course, if you want, you can add additional language, but that doesn't matter actually. So go next again. I leave everything to default. Next, go next. Of course, here, as you can see, you can write something about your organization if you have. As for me, I have one, Lukashassantii. Oh, I nearly made my spelling. Lukashassantii tech support and consultancy. Here I offer a tech support tools, individual and small businesses. Next, as you can see, you will see finish. Now you finish customizing your Office package. Now you can click on what's called export. this exporting or what you're gonna need. You click on accept. Please leave the name to default. Export. As you can see here, and now copy it, paste it in the folder we created with LTSC, because I've pasted it here. As you can see, configuration XML. Now we have set everything. So now that we've downloaded all our files are there in one place, let's run the setup by going to command prompt, dmd run as administrator please. Yes, and now here let's navigate to this folder in cmd dd is command directory. Here copy the path. Here as you can see, it will look like c/ your folder name. If you are in the C drive, if you are in the D drive, you can see D/ something like that. So come here, dd, give space and paste your path. Now you are officially in this folder. Now there is a short code we have to do in order to run this command. As you can see, the top / configure space configuration XML and hit enter. As you can see, our Office LTSC is downloading. Installation is ongoing. As you can see, it depends on your internet. So as you can see, you are all set. The Microsoft 365 Office app are installed on your computer. So you click close. Let's look for them. Press Office LTSC 2024 is officially installed on our PC. As you can see, this is Word. As you can see, accept. Yeah, of course. So that's it. That you have officially installed Office LTSC 2024 on your PC. If you found the video helpful, or if you want more tutorial like this, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the bell too, to get you notified whenever I drop any tech video. Or more precisely, you can tell me in the comments what next video do you want me to do. Thank you. As always, let me know.